Oh my god. Was that your fucking stomach?
Yeah, I'm fucking hungry. I'm fucking hungry. I think I want corn dogs.
Yeah. Since our husbands are away at the war, I would love a corn dog.
Let's go. Lion, I'm gonna put on some music.
What are those horrible noises coming from the stereo, darling? Oh my god. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Our stereo has blown up. We need to call the repairman. Mr. Repair. Oh fuck. Hello.
We need your help,
Mr.
please,
Repairman.
please, we exploded and we're everywhere. We're
Alright,
dead. We're
help
everywhere.
us.
Please.
Evening, ma'am.
Oh my.
Mr. Repairman. Our stereo broke.
Won't you please help us?
Follow us. Mr. Repairman, follow us in here. Our stereo's right over here. Sorry it's such a mess in here.
What the fuck happened?
I don't know.
I guess I better get to work then.
Can you believe this? Can you fucking believe?
Well, it's broke because you ladies don't got a man in the house.
You have one of those too? What are you gonna do with that thing?
Don't smack my ass with it.
Oh my fucking god! Why would you do that?
I can't believe this shit's in my fucking head right now.
Here, let me get it out for you. It's really stuck in there. What are we gonna do? Are you an alien?
Yes, it's me, the alien. Disguised as the repairman.
That was
That was hot.
Oh my god, what's happening? Oh my god. You're so menacing. I'm so scared. I'm so fucking scared right now.
My spaceship is here to take you to my fuck lair.
This is gonna stop her.
Now turn around.
Yes, as you say, alien overlord master.
We'll turn around and show you our asses, of course.
Right on it, sir. Stop. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Stop what you're doing.
It was nice knowing you, ladies.
Oh my god. No more. Please. No.
I'm out of here, ladies.
Mother.